different but we are the same. In each wide world is not a game. Diversity is our song. This world of ours we all belong. Different voices but together we sing. In unity our strength we breathe. We are one in the dance of life. Different beats but we harmonize.
Everybody in this world is unique. That's important, your special trick. Being imperfect is your power. Don't worry, be happy and enjoy every hour. I am the way I am and nobody will change that. We are different and it's not bad.
Different faces and different names, but in our hearts we are all the same.
Your difference makes you unique.
Value them, for each one speaks.
We are sociable, clear to see. Together we live in harmony.
We break down walls, we are magical.
Come with me, we can put it in capital.
No matter where you're from, no matter where you've been, we are in this together, let the love begin. We are different but we are the same. In each wide world is not a game. Diversity is our song. This world of ours we all belong. Different voices but together we sing. In unity our strength we breathe. We are one in the dance of life. Different beats but we harmonize.
We all shine like a guiding star. Make us shine like the way we are. We are all different, that's okay. Embrace yourself, shine bright every day. Your difference make you strange. Remember that, believe what it represents.
Every person in this world has a story, so listen up, this is our glory. Accept yourself with no pain. Confidence, love and the strength you gain. From other people in the world we can learn. Watch, learn and grow like a fern.
Black, white, brown, no one goes down. Hand in hand, we stand our ground.
No matter where you're from, no matter where you've been, we all in this together, let the love begin. We are different but we are the same. In each wide world is not a game. Diversity is our song. This world of ours we all belong. Different voices but together we sing. In unity our strength we breathe. We are one in the dance of life. Different beats but we harmonize. We are different but we are the same. In each wide world is not a game. Diversity is our song. This world of ours we all belong. Different voices but together we